Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and today is going to be a really chill video. I just want to show you guys how I style my hair. This is the Lange, how do you say it? Lange blow dry brush. I've had this for a while. Ignore the hair sticking out of it. I need to clean it out, but you know, it is what it is. This is real life here, people. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how I style my hair with this, because a lot of times I just use the round brush. I do not put heat on my hair other than drying it, and I just wanted to show you guys the process. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be some music, and I'm gonna show you and then chat about it afterwards, and then dunzo. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started. First, I section off my hair. So, depending on how thick or thin your hair is, you may or may not need, you know, as many sections. That's just dependent on your hair. Also, don't mind the boobies, okay? No bra on. I literally got out of the shower, put on some makeup, and I'm showing you guys how I dry my hair, so guys, that is it. So as you can see, I do a lot of upward motions that helps really make the hair voluminous instead of being like flat down to the head. I do a lot of a curling action. You don't have to do that, but I like to have like dimension. I like to have the hair go many different ways. And this is it. And honestly, it stays so much cleaner longer, if that makes sense. Like, I don't find my hair getting greasy and oily, and I don't use a straightener. I don't use a curling iron unless I want to curl it, but I don't have to because I can leave it just like this. I like big voluminous hair. I don't like flat to your head hair. I mean, that's just not my thing. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to style your hair with this. I've been meaning to do a video, and just most of the time I wash my hair before bed. So I thought, while I am here in the middle of the day with wet hair, why not go ahead and show you guys how I style my hair with this guy. And it's so much quicker because I used to dry my hair and then I would take a straightener and I would straighten my hair to smooth it out. And I don't have to do that now. It's very smooth, very straight, looks beautiful. I love it. And I'm good to go. I'm good to go for several days. So you got to see in real time. I'm not going to cut any of it. I'm just going to play music real time, exactly how long it takes me to do my hair with this. I don't think it took me very long. I didn't time myself, but I will look and see whenever I'm editing this video. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.